Hi friends, it's me, Miss Chacon. We are back. Today is Monday and it is the last week of school. So because this is the last week of school, this will be our last math lesson. So because this is our last math lesson, today I'm going to read through the problems and you're going to do them on your own. Now check my progress right here. It says check my progress. These lessons are kind of like little quizzes. So that's why you'll be doing this on your own because I want to see just how much you've learned from this math chapter, okay? So before we start, I want to show you this. So here are our plans for this week. So today we're doing Check My Progress in Math. We are also reading a book called The Cruel Bean. Remember how we learned about the bad seed, the good egg? Well, now we're learning about the cool bean. Also, we're going to be having a lot of field trips this week. So tomorrow we're going to be taking a virtual field trip into space, and we're going to see how astronauts use slime in space. So that's going to be really fun. Also, on Wednesday, we'll be having a field trip to the San Diego Zoo, and that'll be really fun because you'll get to see videos of the animals and what they're doing live right now. So it's really awesome. And also on Wednesday, we'll be having a Zoom meeting and we'll be reading an awesome book that I really love. And on Thursday, we'll be reading a book called We All Have Different Shades of Skin. And finally, on Friday, our very last day of school, we're going to be having a Zoom dance party. And it's going to be you and our class, and we're all going to have a great time together. So be sure to join, okay? So we'll be having a Zoom meeting on Wednesday and on Friday. So let's get started. So give me 1 second. So let's get started on Check My Progress. So, vocabulary check. Now remember, vocabulary is things that are words that we've learned to help us in our math. So here are some words, and what you're going to do is you're going to draw a line to one of these shapes, okay? So when I say the word, you're going to draw a line to the shape, okay? So, first word is rectangle. Which shape is a rectangle? Is it this shape, this shape, this shape, this shape, or this corner right here? Which one is a rectangle? So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to draw a line to whichever shape is a rectangle. And if you need a little help, you can go and look back at your past math homework and see which one of these is a rectangle. Which one of these shapes right here is a rectangle? Now we have a square. Which one of these shapes is a square? Is it this shape, this shape, this shape, this shape, or this end right here? Draw a line and let me know. Number 3, trapezoid. Trapezoid is a big word. So you're going to tell me which shape of these is a trapezoid. Which of these is a trapezoid? Finally, triangle. Now, I'm going to tell you that because there is only one word, triangle. So this is the only triangle word. But on this side, there are 2 triangles. There is a blue triangle here and a yellow triangle here. But only one of these triangles is talking about the whole triangle. The other triangle here, see how this is pointing at the end? This is pointing at the end. So it's looking right here. So when we're looking at this shape, we're not looking at the whole shape. You're just looking at this end right here. So when you're looking for triangle, you're going to be looking for the whole triangle. So which one is showing the whole triangle? This or this? We're talking about the whole triangle. So you're going to draw a line showing showing the whole triangle, okay? Finally, vertex. Which one is showing the vertex? Remember, the vertex is a corner of the shape. So it has 2 it's the corner of the shape. It could be where two sides meet and it makes a corner, like an edge of a table, okay? So you're going to be looking for a rectangle, a square, a trapezoid, a triangle, and a vertex, okay? So you're going to draw a line to each of those shapes. Next, we have concept check. You're going to write how many sides and vertices. So I'll do this one with you. So we're going to count the sides. We have 1, 2, 3 sides. We have 3 sides on this triangle. And how many vertices do we have? Well, we have 1, so 1 corner, 1 vertex, 2 vertex, 3. So we have 3 sides and 3 vertices, okay? Then for this circle, you're going to tell me how many sides and how many vertexes. Now remember, with a circle, it's very special. It has the same number of sides and vertexes. And it's a very small number. And if you need help, you can go ahead and look at our past video on circles. We did that video on Thursday. And look up how many sides and vertices does a circle have. Okay, so you can do that on your own. Now for this page, write how many sides and vertices. You're going to do the same with number 8 and number 9. So this is a rectangle and this is a square, so you're going to be telling me how many sides and how many vertices, and how many sides and how many vertices, okay? Then over here on number 10, you're going to circle all the shapes with 3 sides. So I'll be doing number 10, and you'll be doing 11, 12, and 13 on your own, okay? So for number 10, we're looking at all the shapes with 3 sides. Well, this triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. So it has 3 sides, so I'm going to circle it. This shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. We're only looking for shapes with 3 sides, so I'm not going to circle this. What about this one? This has circle all the shapes with 3 sides. This has 1, 2, 3 sides, so I'm going to circle it. And finally, this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. We're looking for shapes with 3 sides, so I'm not going to circle it. So here we circled 2 triangles with 3 sides. Now, on number 11, you're going to circle the shapes with 0 sides. So circle the shapes with 0 sides. It does not have any sides on it, okay? And here you're going to circle the shapes with 4 sides the same length. So look at the shapes with 4 sides, okay? Now for number 13, you're going to circle the shapes with 4 sides and 4 vertices. So count to see if they have 4 sides and 4 corners or vertices, okay? So you're going to be doing that on your own. And finally, test practice. Jill has a shape with 4 sides of equal length and 4 vertices. So I'm going to underline that because that's something we know. We know that Jill has a shape with 4 sides of equal length and 4 vertices. Then, Carlos has a shape with no sides or vertices. So we know that Jill's shape has 4 sides of equal length and 4 vertices. And we know that Carlos has a shape with no sides and no vertices. And what they're asking us is, what are the 2 shapes? So we have to figure out what is Jill's shape and what is Carlos's shape. So you have a few options. You can pick square, circle. Are those the 2 shapes? Is Jill's shape a square and is Carlos' shape a circle? Could it be this one? What about this one? Square, rectangle. Could Jill's shape be a square and can Carlos's shape be a triangle? What about this one? Rectangle, square. Can Jill's shape be a rectangle and Carlos's shape be a square? Or this one. Can Jill's shape be a triangle and Carlos's shape be a circle? Now remember, each of these answers has two answers. It has Jill's shape and Carlos's shape. So you only need to pick one. You don't need to pick this one and this one, this one. You only need to pick one answer, okay? And remember, it has to have both Jill's shape and Carlos's shape. And Jill's shape has 4 sides of equal length and vertices. Carlos's shape has 0 sides and 0 vertices, okay? So that's it for today. You're going to do so awesome on this quiz. And because today is our last math lesson, because I wanted to have a fun week ahead of us, just remember that we have a lot of fun things coming up this week, okay? So that's it for today. Please remember to check Class Dojo in the morning and in the nighttime for some fun announcements. And that is it for today, my friends. Have a great day, stay safe, and stay well. Bye.